A. What would you do if you were in my position? B. What will you do if you were in my position? Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. What is the correct choice because the sentence is a second conditional sentence, expressing a hypothetical situation. Will is used for future intentions, not hypothetical situations.
A. By the time you arrive, we will have finished all the preparations. B. By the time you arrive, we are finishing all the preparations. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Will have finished is correct because it uses a future perfect tense, indicating an action that will be completed before a specific time in the future. Our finishing is present continuous and does not fit the future reference.
A. He hasn't adjusted to the new policy as well as expected. B. He doesn't adjust to the new policy as well as expected. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Hasn't adjusted is correct because the sentence refers to an action that started in the past and continues up to the present, which requires the present perfect tense.
A. They were meeting an important client when the phone rang. B. They met an important client when the phone rang. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Were meeting is correct because it uses the past continuous tense, indicating an action that was in progress at a specific time in the past when another action occurred. Met is simple past and suggests a completed action, not an ongoing one at the time of the interruption.
A. Before she moved to London, she had lived in Paris for 3 years. B. Before she moved to London, she lived in Paris for 3 years. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Had lived is correct because it uses the past perfect tense, indicating an action that was completed before another action in the past. Lived is simple past, which does not emphasize the completion of living in Paris before moving to London.
A. By next month, our company will be launching the new project. B. By next month, our company launches the new project. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Will be launching is the correct choice because it uses the future continuous tense, indicating an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Launches is simple present and does not fit the future reference.
A. When I arrived, they had already started the meeting. B. When I arrived, they have already started the meeting. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Had started is correct because it uses the past perfect tense, indicating an action, starting the meeting, that was completed before another past action, arriving. Have started is present perfect and does not fit a past narrative.
A. She always checks her emails before leaving the office. B. She always is checking her emails before leaving the office. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Checks is correct because it uses the simple present tense, indicating a habitual action. Is checking is present continuous and would imply that she is in the process of checking emails at the moment of speaking, which is not the intended meaning.
A. By the time we get to the theater, the movie will have started already. B. By the time we get to the theater, the movie will start already. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Will have started is correct because it uses the future perfect tense, indicating that the action of the movie starting will be completed before another future action. Our arrival at the theater will start suggests that the movie starts at the same time we arrive, not before.
A. They will have signed the contract by the end of the week. B. They will sign the contract by the end of the week. Which one is correct? Answer in the comments below. Will have signed is correct because it uses the future perfect tense, indicating an action that will be completed before a specified time in the future. Will sign is simple future, which doesn't convey the completion of the action by the end of the week.
Don't miss out on our videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon right now.
Taking your English
To the next level.
video by video.